Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you're new here, please like this video, subscribe down below. And yeah, today I thought I would do a Primark haul because I have a few bits from Primark. I went in yesterday and I just thought I would show you what I got. So I'm going to start with what's on my nails right now because I literally just put them on and the box is here, and if I don't tell them now I will forget. So I got these nails. These are just like press-on nails. They are in the Squaletto style and it's a beautiful matte dusky pink colour. And what are these called? So these are called Master Plan. They are absolutely amazing. I love these nails. They're £1 and you really can't go wrong with these Primark nails. I just think they're absolutely amazing. They look really, really good. Like if you don't want to go to a salon to get your nails done and you don't have the money maybe, these are great, and they come in so many different sizes, so you can just like match up which ones, you know, fit you. And I'm going to stop doing this because it's a bit weird. So I'm just going to kind of grab things out of the box and see what comes up. Also, I apologise that I'm wearing like the biggest, ugliest, well it's not ugly, it's pretty, but it's not like pretty to wear for a video. It's snowing outside and it's cold and I honestly can't be bothered putting on something cute. So then I have this top. It's actually inside out, so I'm going to turn it around this way so you can't really tell that it's inside out. I wore this in my Aloha Glitz video on that channel. If you want to see that, I'll link that down below. It actually is the same colour as these nails, but this is a high neck. Well, it's kind of like a, not a proper turtleneck, but it's like a raised neck, ribbed long sleeve top, and I got this in a size 8. They're just super basic, really like staple pieces in a wardrobe. I have quite a few of these in different colours and I just really like them. They're just really simple to throw on under things or just as a top. And yeah, this, I don't know what shade this was like classed as. I think it was like rose or blush or something, but I've worn this quite a few times now, so I don't still have the tags on it, but all I remember was that it was £6 and I love it. The next thing I got was this jumper. Now this is a bright orange kind of red coloured jumper. It's again one of these high necks, really nice. It's like a really thick cable knit and it's really soft, really good quality. Nice cuffed on the sleeves. They had this in grey as well. Can't remember what other colours they had, but they did have a couple of colours. I got mine in a small, which is a size 6 to 8, and I love this. I've been pairing this with high-waisted jeans. I've worn it with a skirt tucked in. But yeah, I love it. It's really, really cute and I'm obsessed. I've literally like not stopped wearing this since I bought it. I forgot to say I did get those two on a trip like a couple of weeks ago because I did just say I went in yesterday, and I realised I've been wearing that a lot in the past couple of weeks, not just like since yesterday. So the next thing I got is out of the box because I've obviously already used it, but if I don't have to say, I am a female, if you cannot tell, and I have cellulite like most of females. I think it's something like 85 to 90% of women have cellulite. It's a very normal thing. I am only 18, still have it. I'm not like that big, but still have it. It's completely normal, completely just like, just a thing, you know? Everyone has it. So I like to kind of maintain it and keep it at bay by using body brushes and things like that. I just think that is the best way, personally, I found, to keep it not really, really bumpy. It keeps all the like the circulation going and all of that. So I use these kind of brushes. These are body brushes. This was £3 from Primark. It has a little like thing on it. You just put it on your hand, you know, body brush. There's loads of things on these, like loads of research, and I was watching a TV program the other day. It was like I can't remember what it was, but it basically they tested on loads of different women on loads of different types of cellulite treatments, and body brushing was by far, like by a very high percentage, the most effective. So yeah, I thought I would get another one of these because mine's a bit old and I got rid of it, so I thought I would get a new one. So next I got this. Now you may be thinking, wow, that looks very familiar. This is basically Primark's copy of the Kim Kardashian West Beauty contour sticks. As you can see, the brush is completely copied, and then it has a highlight stick, a contour stick, and a brow highlight as well. I have already opened this just to swatch them, and I would say if you're super pale, then the highlight Like the matte highlight is more of like a peach corrector because it's quite like a peachy toned, but that's fine by me. I love a peachy corrector. But of everything else, you know, you can use for the rest of your skin. So I'm going to be doing a video trying this out because I haven't used it on my face yet. I've just used it to swatch. So yeah, if you want to see the video on this, then make sure you let me know. This was only £8. I then got some more nails. I could not pass these up. Like, these are the cutest nails I think I've ever seen. Like, if you don't know, I am in love with Bambi. Like, Bambi is my favourite Disney film. Bambi and the Lion King are like my thing. Like, I love them. So when I saw these, I just thought, oh my gosh, I need them. They are Bambi nails, and I just think these are the cutest thing in the world. I'm gonna zoom in on them for you. Like, look at these nails. I don't know if you can see because of the light, but they've got like different styles on them and they are absolutely beautiful. You can kind of see my nails as well, these ones. But these were £3 because they're obviously a lot more intricate, is that the right word? Right, so next I got a couple of tops in the same style but in different colours. I've been absolutely obsessed with lettuce hem tops, I think that's what they're called. So when I saw these in Primark for £4, like the ones from Topshop are £14. I have one from Miss Selfridge as well. I got one from Shein and I absolutely love them. But when I saw these for £4 in Primark, I was like, I'm gonna get every colour available. So I got the navy one with the white stripes. I love these. And then I also got the white one, which has peach, yellow, navy and grey stripes. And again, you can see this lettuce hem. I love it. And they are very slightly cropped, but not like overly cropped. And again, I got these in a size 8. For reference, they're super stretchy, super good quality, really nice fitting, and they were only £4. I next got this pair of linen blend trousers. Again, as I said, I don't know if I actually did say this, but this is going to be a try on. You will have noticed that by now already. So I will include a try on clip of these because you can't really see. But they're basically just like linen blend trousers. They have a tie around the front. They are elastic, they go down and they are rolled up on the bottom, and they're just really, really comfortable. I wanted something different than jeans and leggings that I could wear and maybe look a bit smarter, and these were only £10. I then got a pair of flip-flops because they were 90p, they were gold, and I love Primark flip-flops. I'm not going anywhere, but I love wearing flip-flops just kind of like around the house. I just, you know, instead of slippers sometimes, I don't want my feet to be all sweaty in slippers. I know that sounds gross, but you know, like when your feet just get really warm and you don't want that. I just love to wear flip-flops. So yeah, gold flip-flops. I then got this beautiful skirt. Now, I saw these in the trousers. I tried on the trousers, wasn't a big fan. Saw the skirt, tried on the skirt, loved it. It's like a bodycon skirt. It's £5, which is amazingly affordable. And it's this like, not dog tooth, but kind of, actually yeah, it is like houndstooth a bit, with this floral print on it. It's like a checkered print with different types of houndstooth on it, if that makes any sense. But I love this. It's just like a bodycon mini skirt, and usually I'm not into bodycon at all, and I'm usually not into mini skirts, but I've been really into wearing skirts at the moment with tights, and I thought these would go really cool with the shoes I'm about to show you. Like, both pairs would look awesome with this skirt. So I then saw these shoes. Now, I think these look so much more expensive than £12. The bases are really good. Like, I know that sounds stupid, but as a sensible human, I appreciate a good shoe sole. And these, like, they just feel really good quality. They're a bit like platform, kind of, not really, but like they've got a bit of lift to them, which as a 5', 1.8 human, I appreciate that. So yeah, they are this. Again, same material, houndstooth, checkered print with really thick black velvet laces. I got mine in a size 5 because I'm a size 5, and I just think these are beautiful. Like, they had multiple different ones. They had some like even thicker sole ones that were just all white, kind of a leathery material with like the checkered laces, which I really want those as well. I might come back and get them as well. But then they also had, I can't remember, they had like velvet ones that were like all grey shoes with the velvet laces, and they just have so many nice shoes in at the moment. I definitely go recommend Primark shoes at the moment if you like trainers like this. But yeah, I really want to go back and get some more because they were so nice, and I'm the kind of person, I like wearing really basic outfits and then wearing like a bit of a cool shoe, and I definitely prefer comfort over like heels. But if you can get something like this that looks really cool and is really comfortable and that affordable, I say go for it. And then next for shoes, I got these. Now these are absolutely stunning. I saw these on the PRIMARK Instagram a couple of weeks ago. I sent them to my friend and we were like, we need those right now. They have these in a blue suede. They also have them in all white with a pink sole, and I really want to get those, like both of those pairs as well. Like I'm a bit on a shoe like craze at the moment. But basically these are like fake Vans, as you can see, with all the stripe and everything. And yeah, I love these. They're really good soles again, really good grip, and these are only £6 and I love them. So yeah, fake Vans, can't really go wrong. Feel really good quality and they're really comfortable as well. Again, I got these in a size 5 and they have multiple different colours of these. Finally, if you haven't seen my video, I have a video on my channel where I try lightening drops from Primark, and I said if I liked them I was going to go back and get the darkening ones, and I finally did. I went and got these, and I'm thinking you can use these for cream contouring, you can use them to darken up your foundation if you like tan or something. So yeah, I thought these would be really handy because I love the lightening ones. If you haven't seen that video, again I'll link that down below. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. So that is everything that I got. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment what your favourite item in this haul was, or if there's anything that you've seen in your local Primark that you think I might like. But yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!